In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the phone number that's attached to your Google account. So you want to go ahead and open up any browser on your phone. In this case, I have Google Chrome open, and then you want to tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then it will say manage your Google account. Tap on that. Then at the top you have a couple of options, and you want to tap on the second option that says personal info, and then you want to scroll down to where it says contact info and then phone. Tap on phone. It will have your current phone number there. Then where it says the phone number, tap on that. And then you can see a little pencil icon at the top of the phone number. Tap on the pencil icon and then you will have to enter your password again. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so it will take you to this page once you've logged in again. And then at the bottom it says update number. Tap on that and then you want to go ahead and type in your new phone number and then tap on the bottom that says select. That will update the phone number on your Google account. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.